Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much to all my lovely and wonderful subscribers, and if you are new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe. Click the subscribe button below and also click on that bell icon because it will definitely notify you whenever I upload a new and interesting video. Welcome. If you're a foodie, if you like to cook, if you like to eat, if you like spicy Nigerian African food, then you're definitely in the right place. Welcome, subscribe and stay tuned. So today's recipe is Nigerian stew, fresh fish Nigerian stew. Today is a day of fish in this house, so yes, we are going to be making fish stew. I am going to take you guys over there and I'm going to introduce you guys to our ingredients for today. Welcome on board and please stay tuned. So guys, for my recipe today, I'm using 2 plum tomato, onions, ginger and garlic, sweet red pepper and habanero pepper, another onions for frying my tomato, maggi, mixed seasoning and curry, salt, vegetable oil. And for my fish, I am using tilapia fish. So we're going to start adding our ingredients in the fish. So I'm going to add salt, I'm going to add 1 maggi, I'm going to add onions, and I'm going to cover and boil this fish for like 5 to 10 minutes. So guys, after 5 minutes, I'm going to add a bit of water. I'm gonna leave it for another 4 to 5 minutes and then I'll get it out. So guys, after another 4 to 5 minutes, I'm going to take our fish out of the stove. I have blended my tomato, okay? I used 2 plum tomato, the 1 big red pepper, the sweet red pepper, 2 big onions, ginger and garlic, and 1 habanero pepper. So I have blended everything together. I'm going to boil it and let the water dry off the tomato, okay? So guys, now I'm going to take my tomato out of the stove. It has dried off, okay? And I'm going to put my frying pan for frying my tomato. So now I'm going to add oil in my frying pan. And I'm going to allow this oil to heat up and then I'll add my onions. Now I'm going to add my onions. Allow the onions to fry for like 2 minutes. So guys, after 2 minutes, I'm going to add my tomato. I'm going to allow this tomato to fry and let it fry until it dries up, okay? So we're gonna just keep an eye on it, keep stirring it, don't allow it to burn. guys, at this point I'm going to add my curry and my mixed seasoning. So I'm gonna add my curry. I'll add 2 teaspoons of the curry, and I'll add my mixed seasoning. Again, 2 teaspoons of the mixed seasoning. Then I'll mix them up. And I'm going to allow it to simmer with the mixed seasoning for 5 minutes. Okay. So guys, after 5 minutes of adding my seasoning, I'm going to take my tomato out of the stove. I push all my tomato this way. This helps the excess oil to come out. So all the excess oil on this side is not going to be going inside my pot. So I'm going to let those ones stay. But all the tomato on this side is what I'll be adding in my pot. I have put back my fish, my cooked fish, in the pot, and I'm going to add my tomato in there. So I'm going to start adding my tomato inside the pot. And that is the oil that I'm talking about. So as you can see, there's oil in here, so I won't be adding this one. Now I'm going to add my fish stock inside the pot. I'm going to allow it to simmer for 5 minutes with the fish. So now I'm going to taste for maggi and salt. So there is no maggi and salt. I am going to add maggi and salt. I'm going to add 2 maggi, and I'm going to add salt. I'm going to mix. So now I'm going to allow it to simmer for another 5 minutes. So guys, after 5 minutes, our sauce is ready. I am going to take it out of the stove now. This is after I have allowed it to cool down, and it is looking so divine and so delicious. The aroma in here is absolutely yum. Yum, 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 yum. It's absolutely yum. So yeah, this is where today's recipe is going to end. I can't wait to dive in. I can't wait to eat this with white rice. I can't just wait to just demolish like champions, guys. So guys, this is where today's recipe is going to end. I absolutely enjoy making this recipe with you guys. I can't wait to dive in and demolish like champion. It is so wonderful, and it tastes so yummy. The aroma in here is just absolutely to die for. Thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up because it really means a lot to me. And yeah, if you're new here, please subscribe on your way out. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.